Yes, I'm here again once more, my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yes, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. First, I'm going to present two videos to you that have been recorded in Jamaica. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show two damaged motor vehicles. And in the video, you can hear a certain amount of persons talking about those damaged motor vehicles and are the situation that caused those motor vehicles to be damaged. The video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. So I got the understanding from the video and based on information put out there that one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone hit a motor vehicle that I can see in the video, and that caused one of those motor vehicles to overturn and end up on its top, viewers and subscribers. In the video, you can hear at least one person saying some words that gave me the understanding that the person was pointing out as to who might be right from who might be wrong when it comes on to the incident, viewers and subscribers. See, so I want you to look at the video and tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to the incident. Please bear in mind that this video is going to show two badly damaged motor vehicles. That's in my point of view. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
No, no, you can't cross the road if you take time before him call lick you. And that the man them not understand that about. I guess someone have right away. Right away shit.
No man, you're wrong man.
Right away shit. At least stop your sign you come 150 by your job that you can't get the right for me. Yeah man, the for me.
So he now blink up on him.
That's really. And if you know, and then back it up. See flush the ticket.
Yeah man,
everything. But nobody can talk. We not even listen to them when they talk.
That corner, the person something about corner there's some people.
straight to all way the shop. And up on me and up on me, they see now.
You look up down.
All way big, pan scheme. Yeah, turn over.
The one on the top, that one. You want to look at the side, see between us. Alright, my point of view though, viewers and subscribers, I think that at least one of those motor vehicles was going at a certain speed for the incident to happen like that, where one of those motor vehicles there on the top, and you can see on the side, and one of the motor vehicles then like, you know, somewhat pushed in or bashed in, as also some people might say. And you see the person who you can hear talking in the video, yeah, make at least one valid point. When I say valid, I mean with the whole corner thing and so forth, if I listen carefully. But, you know, sometimes we just have to really and truly keep our open mind, because you may never know what might happen, but the situation, they look away. They look away, see me? Them, one of those motor vehicles is going at a good speed. Alright? Alright, so let me know who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to that incident, viewers and subscribers. Here, I am going to move on to another topic. Now, here I am going to present another video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And this video is going to show some things that happened when a person was being arrested or detained by police from within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the person who was being arrested or detained by police had been accused of doing certain things, viewers and subscribers. In the video, you can hear when a police officer accused the person of doing something. And I soon point out that part of the video to you. But first up, I'm going to present the video to you so you can look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. Now, please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, the video shows when at least one police officer hit the person, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. so first up, who recognize that beautiful area? Who recognize that nice and beautiful area? So here's the thing now, viewers and subscribers. See, let me point out one part of the video, make you hear what the person had been accused of doing. Listen. You hear that? One more time, just to make it very clear. Alright. So I hope you hear certain words that had been said in that video. You see, me is the kind of person who want to make sure you hear it for yourself. See me I say? Broke out the fence at station. You hear that? Alright, hope you hear that. Alright, so my people, those videos are recorded in Jamaica. Now I'm going to move on to another topic. Let me know what you think about those situations and those videos that I presented to you. Alright? Now I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And this video is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to a location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago and arrested or detained at least 2 persons. Now, overall information that I got is that police held on to more than 2 persons of your subscribers or detained more than 2 persons. I got unconfirmed information as to why law enforcers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to that location. However, I got information that police acted on information that they got, and at some point, law enforcers went to a certain location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. It is said that a certain amount of persons had been placed in handcuffs by police, viewers and subscribers, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video and the situation is being talked about in certain places on social media. I got information that at least 1 person had been chased and that there was confrontation between police and civilian and about other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what I think about the situation that I can see and hear in the video, viewers and subscribers. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video that I'm about to present to you. Observe with me. Look, you can see where persons are run at a certain part of the video. And the building kind of there in the way this will go. Alright. But if you look right at another part of the video, you can see where that's 1 person that had been held on to by police. You see, this seems to be another person that had been held on to. Okay, hold on. Look on the part of people, look what I go on this one. You can see a certain amount of persons that walk to a certain direction. Hold on. Like, hold on. Hold on, you know. I'm going to see what I go on. So right here, so look like. So at a certain part of the video, a certain amount of persons was running. And look at that part of the video. Is that one more? What happened this one? I wonder how much that will cost this one now. Okay, alright. I mean, this video, there's a whole lot that you can understand from this video.
Yeah?
Like a motor vehicle in motion. Yeah, my people, so information as to why law enforcers went to that location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago is not confirmed to my knowledge, but based on information that I got is that police received information and they acted on information that they got, and law enforcers went to that location. Certain things happened during subscribers. See, yeah, I got the understanding that there was some persons who did not like the way how law enforcers handled the situation, and where this video had been posted on social media, there are different comments pertaining to the situation, you know. Yeah, so big up and respect to all of my viewers and subscribers within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. A lot of times when you see me bring videos to you is because some of those videos have been brought to my attention by some of my viewers and subscribers and so on. You see me? And really and truly I show my respect and appreciation. You know, sometimes you have some of my viewers and subscribers who say, Dancehall, Skilla, take a look at this. What do you think about this? Can you let people know about this to me and so forth? You see me? And I try to bring some of those videos to you in the best way I can with as accurate as information as I can. You see? Okay, so I wish the best for each and everyone, and let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. If you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.